Hello everyone and welcome back to this 2D platformer tutorial, and today we will implement the health system. And if you don't have your own sprites, if you re-download my sprites, the link will be in the description. There will now be an empty heart and a full heart in that package. Yeah, let's get to it. So here on the canvas we will need to make a new empty object. We can call this health system. Under that one, we will need to place a UI image. Here, let's just drag in the full heart, like this. And in my case, it will, let's make it, oh, 60 by 50. Yeah, 60 by 50. And then take your health system, double click it, and then move it up. We will just place it somewhere like here. Yeah. Then you'll have to make, in this case, let's make 5 hearts. On the health system here, let's add grid layout group, and here in the constraints, let's make it fixed column count and make it 5. So you can see all the hearts got a lot bigger now because the cell size is controlled in here. So here again we need to change it to 60 by 50. And then the spacing between the hearts will be, let's set it to 5. Let's move it out a bit and down a bit. I maybe think they are too big. Let's make it let's make 50, 40. Yeah, let's keep it like that for now. Then what you need to do is we will make a new script, and this script, no, sorry, we will open the player controller script, of course. And here we will need to make some new publics, and here we will make a public int called my health and public int called hearts, and then we need a public image. And here, if you don't have it implemented, you will have to right click, quick actions, and choose the using Unity engine.ui. If you can't right click, you can simply just type in this line up here. This will be an array of images, and this is our hearts. And then we need a public sprite for the full heart, and we need a public sprite for the empty heart. Like this. And down in the start function, you will have to say my health is equal to hearts. Yeah. Then we have to go down. We will make a new void down here. Let's make a public void, call it heart system, like this. And in here we'll have to say if let's start with make a for loop, and for int I equal to 0, I will be our hearts dot length I, and then if I is greater than my health, then hearts I dot sprite is equal to our full heart, and then else hearts I dot sprite is equal to our empty heart. And then we have to say if I is less than our hearts, then hearts I dot enabled equal to true. Not O, I. Else hearts I dot enabled is equal to false. So this will control the hearts, the sprites on the hearts. Then we need to be sure, of course, that we can't go above 5 hearts or 6 or 7 or whatever your max health will be. And we have to be sure that we can't go underneath it. So we can go to -1 health. And this we can do simply just to say if my health is greater or equal to our hearts, with uppercase hearts, then my health is equal to our hearts. And the same we have to do the other way. If my health is less or equal to 0, then my health is equal to 0. So this will be sure that you can't go above, and this will do so you can't go below. Now if you save the script, we of course have to call this heart system somewhere, and we can do that in the update up here, heart system, like this. Now save the script, head back to Unity, and here we have to go to the health system here, drag on the let me see, oh sorry, it's on the player of course. Where is the script? Here it is. Let's lock it up here, and here we have to drag in all our hearts. Here you can see we have an array. So in my case it will be these 5. So if you open now, here you have all of them. Then you can say my health, and this is 5. It's 5 hearts. And then you need your sprites. So if you go to the folder, and here you have the empty, and you have the full. So now when you hit play, we should have 5 health. And if we reduce it here, you can see it goes down. So now let's implement it so when we hit the enemy, we will lose 1 health. So if you open up the player controller script again, down here in the previous episode, we implemented this. So when we hit the enemy, we will just reset the scene. Let's comment this out. And after here, we will just say reset the level. So if you want to use this, you will still have it. Instead here, we will say my health minus equal 1. Save the script and head back to Unity. So now when we hit the enemy, let's see, let's jump up there. Whoops, and whoop. Every time he hit me, I lose 1 health. And nothing happens when we hit 0. So let's open up the platformer script again, or the player controller, sorry. And here we simply just can go down to, let's take the heart system here. Let's take heart system, or should we do it in the update? Oh, let's do it in, yeah, let's do it in update. Let's do it down below here. So, no, we do it in the heart system. Then we keep all the health in inside here. Then we can say if my health is equal we can actually use the one we have here. Here it does so we can't go below 0. So when we hit 0, it will just be 0. So here we can simply just, if we take this reset we just had up here and paste it in here. So now when we save the script, head back to Unity. So now it should, when we hit 0 health, it should reset the level. Let's see here. Oops, oops. Let's get hit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, boom! Reset the level. Yeah. I think that was it for this tutorial. Should we add? No. Yeah, that was it for this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like these tutorial videos, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And if you will need a health bar instead of this heart system, let me know in the comment below. Then I will implement it in one of the next tutorials, so we can make all the inputs that you need for your tutorial series. Thank you.